Welcome to DMAT 0305. In this video, I will give you some navigating tips for eCampus to help you locate information for the course. Once you have logged into your eCampus, click the Start Here tab in the menu on the left. Here you will find information to help you get started in the course, my contact information, course navigation overview, technology requirements, and tips for succeeding in the course. Please note that Chromebooks cannot be used when taking comprehensive knowledge checks. Please be sure to read all of the information under the Start Here tab. Next, click on the Syllabus and Calendar tab. Here you will find your syllabus, which is a roadmap for this course, including a calendar with all due dates. Click on the link beside attached files, and this will allow you to download the syllabus. I recommend printing it out and keeping it handy. The syllabus contains all of the information needed for the course. If you scroll down, in particularly, you can find the calendar. The calendar includes all of the due dates for the course, for all of the assignments. If we go back to our eCampus, syllabus and calendar, you'll see at the bottom here, it gives information on exactly what a syllabus is. Next, clicking on the Lessons and Assignments tab, you will find the following. Getting Started in Aleks, which allows you to watch a video giving you a little bit of information about Aleks and how to set it up. You will also find information about the initial knowledge check. Next, under the Aleks tab, clicking on that will allow you to get to Aleks, where you will do all of your work for the course. Clicking on the Aleks tab, McGraw-Hill, takes you directly into Aleks. Again, this is where all of your work will be done for the course. Mine has been set up already, but you will need to follow the prompts in order to be able to set up your account to use Aleks. Next, we have the comprehensive knowledge check information. Under this tab, you will have information about the CKCs. You will have information about the Respondus Monitor, the Aleks Lockdown Browser, and CKC's do's and don'ts. In order for you to take CKCs, you have to download the Lockdown Browser, and you can do that here. Going back to the Lessons and Assignments tab, the last thing in this section is Aleks Customer Support. Under this link, it will give you the opportunity to complete this form or call information to contact Aleks whenever you're having technical issues. Then we have the Check My Grades tab. Under this particular tab, you will find a grade book, but please use the grade book that is located in Aleks. Under the Communication Tools section of the menu, you'll find tabs for announcements, emailing your instructor, a discussion board, Blackboard Collaborate, and a link for my virtual meeting room. The virtual meeting tab is the only one you'll need to use in this section. Announcements will be emailed. For the quickest response, email me directly at rvinson@dallascollege.edu instead of using the email instructor tab. Hope this helps, and please let me know if you have any questions.